Keisha downloaded some songs from the internet. She was able to download 5 songs in 2 minutes. Which of the following graphs represents this scenario? In this scenario, we first have to decide what is the independent and dependent variables. If we're comparing the variables of the amount of songs in a certain amount of minutes, we're going to have that the independent variable is going to be time or minutes, and the dependent variable is going to be the number of songs she can download. Because the number of songs that get downloaded depend or rely on the amount of time, relies on those 2 minutes. So now taking a look at our graphs, we can automatically eliminate graph B because graph B is showing that we have a negative amount of time happening. We have a certain amount of songs being downloaded. As time increases, the amount of songs downloaded will increase, but as time decreases, the amount of, well, time can't decrease. So you can't be having a negative amount of time. So graph B is definitely out. Graph D is also incorrect because this is showing as time increases, the amount of songs downloaded decreases, and that doesn't make any sense because after 2 minutes, you're going to have 5 songs downloaded. After 4 minutes, you'll have 10 songs. After 6 minutes, you'll have 15. Your songs the number of songs is increasing as the amount of time is increasing, so graph D is definitely out. Now, graph A and C both show that as time goes on the x-axis, the number of songs is also increasing on the y-axis. So they are both correct in that aspect. But we have to now take into account the ordered pairs coming from the 5 songs in 2 minutes. For example, if you go to 2 on the x-axis, you should be going up to 5 on the y-axis. If you then go to 4 on the x-axis, you should be going up to 10 on the y-axis, and so on and so forth. This is happening in graph A. Just to show the difference in graph C, if we go to 2, we do go up to approximately 5, so 2 minutes, 5 songs, but if we go to 4 minutes, we're only going up to around 7 or 8, we're not making the 10 songs. So it's not, the download rate isn't as fast as it should be in graph C. So that makes our answer choice A. That is the graph that best represents the scenario.